Reports, everything, we are very clean. Very clean, from parliament to local government. But when you go to the people, you feel the pulse, you feel the stench. Say, but there is a problem. You promised this has not been delivered. But when you go to the books, everything has been accounted for, money spent correctly, everything is done. Where is the problem? It's within the technical offices. This I have to be honest with you. Our people in urban areas at times don't vote for us, NRM. They vote for them because they feel we are dishonest. And you are part of what we should blame. When we send you money to do these projects, kindly help us implement. When you don't, the impact is on us, not you. Election is coming, you're not going to be a candidate unless you're going to resign and offer yourself. But you're going to remain a town clerk, permanent and pensionable. But your mistakes are not going to be put on you, it's going to be put on my candidate who is holding a yellow flag. And that one is going to have it rough because his worship, the mayor, will throw it all at him. So this is the problem of NRM. It's very easy to blame NRM for everything wrong. But now, when we are talking about Kira, we shall talk about you. Because, Kira, the mayor is a noob. So whatever problem you have in Kira, you blame noob. How would it feel? That is how we take blame for things which have gone wrong. Kindly, be strict on the areas of accountability. Be strict on the areas of accountability. Don't be twisted. When the mayor hates you, when the town clerk is firm, the staffs in your office will be very correct. When they find weaknesses, I don't know whether you still have procurement committees in your offices. That is where the problem is. I just want to give you one example. They found a mess. How government money was being released and was not doing work. It was being held in that bank and being loaned to business community. And then procurement committees were giving reports, oh, we have delayed to procure this because the committee is not sitting. You hold 2-3 billion for water project for a quarter in 3 months at a percent of 10%, that is 300 million. At the end of the quarter, government money is put back in government account. The 300 million, which was a profit on that account, is being shared. Do you know that? It went on for almost 10-15 years. It came from technical people. Kindly, let's be fair to this country. Let's be fair to this country. This country, your children will inherit it, your grandchildren will inherit it. Don't mess it up. Don't burn this country as technical people. Let us serve our people with honesty, with dignity, and we shall be satisfied. Uganda is beautiful and big enough for all of us. But when we are selfish, let me tell you something. For us, we listen a lot. These ones have a lot of information. We have 45+ million people. We are going for the next census. But at the moment, we are working with about 45. Of the 45 million Ugandans, about 600 are employed in government, including you and me. No, I'm not in government, including you. Members of parliament, councillors, anybody who draws his salary from consolidated fund. You remove 600 from 45 million Ugandans, meaning 44.4 million Ugandans don't get salaries from government. But we, the 600,000 who earn salaries, have become the biggest nightmare to the majority. We are the highest consumer of the national budget. We are the users. We are the beneficiaries. Tomorrow, when there is a mass uprising, a mass revolution, it may not favor the mayor who is in Nup. It will be against all leaders, whether you are political or technical. Anybody who has been a leader the masses will rise against all of us. Why? Because we seem not to be responding to what they say. We seem not to be responding to what they do. I am a leader in a poor community. I earn my salary. My children go to good schools. I am okay. I go to my village. I build a house. I put a wall fence. I have a dog. The neighborhood is full of poverty. I am not safe. I am not safe. When the community is not secured, I am not safe. Even if I put the highest wall and the strongest wall, I'm not safe. So we need to extend the benefits of governance to everybody. My president always talks about attending to human needs. When people are hungry, when people have no accommodation, when the schools are not functioning well, when hospitals are not performing well, when there is congestion, when all these problems are there, regardless of your political party, the people will rise against you. We are not safe. So let us start doing things rightly and correctly to allow everybody to enjoy their country. My party will keep improving. I'm not saying we are good.